All right, hello everyone. Just trying to make a video about what's going on with stocks. Today I found out about it and it was pretty interesting. I mean, like I already expected pumping down. I mean, these are tough times for a lot of people, and there are a lot of people who are trying to get rich quick, and they're trying to manipulate markets. And I've seen some incredible pumps in the crypto world. So I mean, this is not something new. Just like it became really big news today because of the fact that um, there were some really big companies involved, and then uh, these individuals bunched up together and tried to, or they did actually make them lose a lot of money. And then they were stopped, or kind of stopped. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, it's not right. There are a lot of things with free market that happens that are overlooked. Doesn't matter who is doing it. Um, Manipulation is manipulation. Um, all these things, as um, I mean, basically takes the trust out of the market for people like me. Um, like I don't want to play that kind of game that where I know people are intentionally trying to take my money away. You know, I invest in the market to grow with the market, without any manipulation. I want people to understand that like I I'm a logical person. I base my decision based on the what I think is the best thing, best product, best deal, and I put my money in things that I like. I don't just bet against the market, or I just try to pump a stock that is not valuable. Either one is like not good. So it's sad that it's happening. And I mean, this can happen to regular stocks or crypto. Is not too far out. It could happen to any free market. And right now, a lot of people are risking a lot, hoping for huge gains. Yes, I mean, if you look at it, if they're trying to pump something and they're going to take money away from by dumping it, they're going to take the money away from the people who normally invest and then literally crash the stocks. That's not good. I mean, in stocks, at least there are checks and balances, but in crypto, there's nothing like that. The only thing in crypto is that the exchanges can stop the trading, which is what they did with Dogecoin. Dogecoin, that's what they say. I never really. I think when I started mining a long time ago, was like Dogecoin. Dogecoin was popular. I'm talking about 2014, 13 and 14, I think. And a lot of people were mining Litecoin and Dogecoin, and I was like, no, I'd rather stick to Litecoin. So I mined Litecoin only. And then when Ethereum came in, I mined Ethereum. Of course, I mined Bitcoin with ASICs too. But the point is, I'm okay with the natural progression of the market. But by using these tactics, people do unfair manipulation. Like, I mean, yeah, you can. This just proved that it's so. The rules are not enough, even for stocks. I mean, cryptos are even more susceptible to these kind of manipulations. So, um, you know, people need to take those risks into account when they are um, getting into all those things, because I mean, any kind of investment is risky, uh, but like certain investment, this is how they make the living, by manipulating. I mean, although there are legal ways of manipulating market and there's legal way of doing it, and I think it should be only fair based on the performance. Like if a company is doing good, their stock should be more valued. You know. Now, of course, companies try strategy of releasing product line, or trying to show people that they have a product launch coming in, and taking their sweet time delivering it, but in process increasing the value of their stock. I mean, like, you can't just say things, and I'm not going to name any company, I'm just going to say in general, but I know you will probably know which company I'm talking about. I can't just say that I'm going to have a product and that will launch, and not give a date and deadline, and then just leave people hanging and raise the stock value up, keep it artificially inflated, and deliver the product when, like, year or 2 years from now. That's not the way I would gauge a performance of a company. But that's happens, is okay, approved way of doing it. People do that. It just you have to gain the trust of the investor, and if they believe that you have a product and you will come out of with that in market, they will invest in your company. Those are all understandable, simple strategies that most people understand. What most people don't understand is that there are big players that generally know more than you and I, and they know a lot more. They have people who are inside the company. They know things that's going to happen, and then they base their reaction on that. So if they know something, like there's a product coming in a company that you don't know, and they put they invest in the company before it's known publicly, that's also not fair. But it's called insider trading. Or if they know that the company is doing bad and it's not public knowledge, and they sell their stock before public gets the chance to do that, that's also insider trading. That's illegal. Enron, I believe, was the one that did something like that. They inside trading. I mean, they got legal lawsuit, but that's happens. It still happens. They just don't get caught. But this became a big issue. That what happened showed the vulnerability of markets, free markets. And there has to be more rules that favor small players and big players, not just the big players. Right now in a market, it's only more favorable to big players. They have different terms, and they call them whales, bears, whales, all those things. I don't understand them completely, but I have a basic sense of like, when I see something going up too fast, it's not natural. I mean, market charts, when that happens, you know it's not normal, and you didn't hear anything, and it just starts going up, then there's something going on behind the scene that you have no idea, and it's partly manipulation. And but yeah, if you hear something good, like there's some good news in the market, and then it's going up slowly and gradually, of course, then that it's natural. But yeah, it's a tough market, tough situation. A lot of people are borrowing money to invest, and too bad that they have to resort to these methods, strategies to take money from uh, people who don't follow these methods. Uh, you know, I like to invest in something I believe and let it take it, let it take its natural progression, not because some big player wanted to pump it, and then when everybody else buys it, then start dumping it and double their money or something like that. That's just wrong. Okay, all right, take it easy. Bye.